Morning, YouTube, man. It's Saturday morning. I'm finna see what the problem is. The last video I had hydrolocked my motor, gas hydrolocked it. So we gonna do further inspection with this video. What's up, guys? Man, I'm back with another video. About to change this oil and spark plugs and all that old good stuff. Let me find a wrench for this oil.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's beautiful out here today. I bought some spark plugs from AutoZone.
Purchase your tracks today.
Go in here and get these parts. Appreciate all y'all help, man. Give me some advice on this LS swap and what's going on. Hopefully I ain't tear too much up. Okay. Got water leaking everywhere. God damn it. Look at that.
Purchase your tracks today.
Water dripping everywhere. Let's see what kind of let me go get a drain to drain this fluid.
Purchase your tracks today.
Jack it up. Fuse. Okay. Let me get a jack stand. Jack it up a little bit more.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'll look, y'all see this oil drip. Smell like a lot of gas. Yep.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Look at all that bad oil, man.
Purchase your
Really
tracks
black.
today.
Look at that.
Purchase your tracks today.
one ain't even all the way on. The freak. Do smell gas on this side. Yeah, we got a leaking injector right here. Look at that. See that one leaking? See that? That injector's leaking. Might have to make a trip to the junkyard, I don't know. See there, we got a leaking injector, guys. I'm gonna put it over here where it's dry. Y'all see it's making a puddle. See that? So I was making a puddle right there. All the rest of them dry. On cylinder. Well, this is how you check for leaking injectors. I don't know if I gotta replace this O-ring right here, but we gonna inspect it. If not, I'm gonna run to the junkyard and grab some an injector or something like that. Well, let's see what's happening. Let's further inspect. Might be this O-ring. Yeah, it's this O-ring right here. Maybe if I replace that, it'll stop leaking. But maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, this thing leaking bad. Look at that. How bad that's leaking. Hey, you guys, I managed to get another fuel rail. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one or take off those injectors and switch them on this one right here. Shout out to my man Antonio Alexander, man. He came through for me in the clutch.
Here is Durant for the win!
Appreciate that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take these injectors off of here, put them on there. Okay guys, we got them all cleaned up. I'm gonna bring a rag with me so I can clean them up again before I put them on there. Let's see. See if we can fit them on in there, y'all. Let's see, this way. Okay. Let me let the car down. Backwards. Yeah, this gotta be backwards, man. There we go. I had it backwards. Hopefully we ain't got no leaks on this one. Let's get this in with no problems. So this thing seated in here, right? Hey, we in there. All right, time to plug this bad boy up. Let's see. Forget about these. I ain't gonna put those on yet. In those cylinder walls, about a teaspoon of oil. My instructor told me to put a little oil down here. Let me see. Stick my finger in there. It's real black. Smell like gas. Yeah, it smell like gas. Let me see. Yep, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Then I'm gonna put some oil down there and refill the oil. Just trying to let it drain all the way down to the bottom.